This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Shauna Lane. Beautiful home tucked away in the heart of Virginia Beach, located on the golf course. The floor plan features a gourmet kitchen with solid wood, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and a primary suite with a private bath. Step out to your outdoor oasis that is wonderful for watch golf, or entertain family and friends. Conveniently located and minutes away from the mall, shopping, restaurants, interstate, and military bases. Come see why this home is ready for you. For more information, review the details below or contact Shauna Lane at 757-385-3966.